Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can hide your number on your iPhone 15 Pro. Maybe you want to surprise someone and for that reason you want to hide your number so that the person is not seeing who's calling on their device. For that, we want to go to our settings and then we want to scroll down to phone, and here we want to go to show my caller ID. Right now it's turned on, so if you call someone, your number or your name will be shown on the device you're calling. If we turn that off, then your number won't be shown on the device you're calling. It will say like unknown number or anonymous, and then the person doesn't know who's calling. So you can now go ahead and use your phone as normal, and if you want to undo that again, just go back to phone and then show my caller ID and turn that back on again. So that's how you can hide your number on your iPhone 15 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.